I'm from Lepidex, and I'm so happy to be here today to introduce to you our company. We're local, we're from Lexington, and we were founded in 2015, which is, I think, 4 years ago now. So our mission is to control insect pests without using pesticides and genetically modified plants, because kind of their GMOs are a little unpopular right now, and there's got to be a different way. So this is our team. First we have Bruce Webb. He's our vice president. He's a professor of entomology at the University of Kentucky, and his role is really his connections with the agricultural industry. In 2001, 30% of the foals in Kentucky were lost due to mare reproductive loss syndrome, and that cost $336 million for Kentucky. So, of course, the University of Kentucky put all their resources, all their scientists together to figure out what caused this, and it was Bruce Webb's team that found out that the mares were eating these eastern tent and the forest tent caterpillars. These caterpillars have these spines that were actually poking holes in the alimentary tract and causing secondary bacterial infections. So he was part of that team, and so he brings all those connections that he made during that time to us now. Dr. Fath Gooden, she is our interim CEO and our chief financial officer. And she's a CEO at our parent company, which is called Paratex. And there she's marketed SBIR-funded products. We sell throughout the U.S. in 38 countries. And then me, Kendra Steele, I'm the chief scientific officer, so I do all the science. I'm the PI on our USDA Phase 1 grant and our new Kentucky Match Fund. And I'm going to be the PI on the Phase 2 if we get that. And what we've done is I've developed the nudie technology. It was Bruce Webb's idea, and he put me on it, and we got this technology going. But I've also made other products involved with protein expression using the baculovirus expression system. So the problem that I said our mission was to control insect pests, and the one we're focusing on now is the corn earworm, which, as you can see in this picture, can be a little nasty caterpillar. It's the primary caterpillar pest, the primary insect pest in soybean in the south and sweet corn in the northeast. And it eats 45 other cultivated crops. So talk about your hungry caterpillar. It eats everything. It is found in every state but Alaska, and it costs farmers over $2 billion annually. That's because of the money they've lost from their crops and the money they're spending on pesticides and transgenic plants. The problem with the corn earworm is that, unlike other caterpillars, it's very resistant to current pesticides and transgenic plants. So all the farmers that are spending money just to get rid of it, and they're having a hard time doing that. So our solution to this is not to make another pesticide or another transgenic toxin, but to go a whole different route. We're just going to sterilize the caterpillar. Now, we do this with a naturally occurring virus, so it is a virus that has been found in nature, and it is safe for humans because it's specifically adapted to infect the corn earworm. And it causes an STD. So it's sexually transmitted between moths, and the mothers will transmit it to her eggs. So it's not just transmitted between the moths in one generation, it's transmitted to the subsequent generations. And what this virus does is it sterilizes it. In this picture on the left, you see a healthy female. You see all those little circles, they're eggs. If you open that abdomen, there's eggs everywhere. Okay? But when she's infected with the virus and she's sterile, no eggs. The accessory glands are gone. So what is the impact of this? The corn earworm has 4 generations in a third of the U.S. Okay, now one female moth can lay 3,000 eggs. Okay, so if you just started with 1, half of her eggs are going to be females. So it's 1,500 females, each laying 3,000 eggs. That's crazy. You can see why this caterpillar is a problem. So with our technology, those 1,500 females are not laying any eggs. So again, we're from Lepidex. My name is Kendra Steele. This is our website and our email address. If you have any questions or you want to just look us up, please do so.